Earth looks peaceful, stable, perfectly balanced, and above us the moon watches silently. But what if that familiar sight began to change? What if the moon didn't stay small? What if Earth and the moon switched sizes? Not slowly, not over millions of years, but instantly. The planet would feel it immediately. Every ocean, every continent, because size means gravity. And gravity controls everything. This is how Earth would end. Right now, Earth dominates the system. It is more than 80 times heavier than the moon. The moon orbits us, not the other way around. Its gravity gently pulls our oceans, creating tides that shape coastlines and life. The moon also stabilizes Earth's tilt, giving us predictable seasons. Earth's gravity holds our air in place, keeping pressure, temperature, and weather balanced. This balance took billions of years to form, and life depends on every part of it. But the moon is only a partner. Earth is the anchor. Now imagine that anchor disappears. Imagine Earth losing its dominance and the moon becoming the giant. Gravity would reverse the rules, and nothing on Earth could stop it. At first, nothing seems different. Then gravity begins to shift. The moon starts gaining mass. Earth begins to lose it. The balance collapses. Gravity rewrites the rules instantly. Earth is no longer in control. The moon becomes the giant. Earth becomes the satellite. The planet reacts immediately. Even the air feels the pull. Earth's orbit turns unstable. Its rotation begins to fail. Day and night lose meaning. Earth is no longer a planet. It is now a prisoner of gravity. And this is only the beginning. What comes next is far worse. At first, life on Earth continues as normal. Then the ocean begins to rise, without warning. Not like a storm, not like a tide, but like the sea itself being pulled away from Earth. Entire coastlines vanish in minutes. No warning systems are fast enough. Animals flee, guided only by instinct. The ocean no longer obeys Earth. This isn't local. It's happening everywhere at once. Then something even worse begins. The moon starts pulling the oceans away. Seas drain from the planet. Entire ecosystems collapse in hours. What was hidden for millions of years is revealed. Salt and dust poison the air. Breathing becomes dangerous, and Earth begins to lose the one thing that made it alive. As the oceans vanish, the sky begins to change. Earth's atmosphere starts to lose its grip. Gravity can no longer hold the air in place. Winds reach impossible speeds. Storms merge into global systems. The planet's climate collapses into one continuous storm. Hot regions freeze without warning. Temperature becomes meaningless. Elsewhere, the ground begins to burn. Wildlife collapses first. The air grows thin and toxic. Earth begins to lose its atmosphere to space. The sky itself starts to disappear. Shelter offers no protection. Civilization collapses in days. Cities fall silent. Humanity reaches its limit. Earth is no longer a home. At some point, the chaos stops. Not because Earth has healed, but because there is nothing left to destroy. The noise of life fades away. Civilization becomes memory. Above it all, the moon now rules the sky. Earth's days grow longer, then shorter, then meaningless. Time itself loses rhythm. The planet struggles to stay stable. Earth is no longer in orbit around the sun. It now orbits the moon. Earth becomes what the moon once was, a satellite, not a world. Too small to hold heat, too weak to protect life, too fragile to recover. The planet that once shaped life has become a moon. While Earth fades, the moon begins to change. Its gravity finally holds an atmosphere. Winds move for the first time. Weather is born on a world that never had it. A new sky forms above a silent land. And in the moon sky, Earth becomes the moon. A pale reminder of what once was. The roles have reversed completely. Time continues without us. The universe does not mourn. It only obeys physics, and physics shows no mercy. Life is fragile. Balance is everything. From far away, the system looks calm again. Disaster leaves no scar on the universe. The planets continue their paths. Asteroids drift. Galaxies turn. Stars are born, even as worlds die. The universe does not notice loss because it has seen it before, and it will see it again. Life does not fail loudly, it fails quietly. Balance is the only thing that keeps it alive. Tonight, the moon will rise just as it always has, and Earth will remain the giant that protects life. But gravity isn't the only force keeping Earth alive. But what if Earth moved closer to the sun? Follow us to discover what happens when that balance breaks.